They are found everywhere in the northern part of the country. These are nomadic Fulani. Their cattle-rearing occupation takes them everywhere, sometimes across borders in search of greener pastures at the expense of their children's education. 15-year-old Halima Hassan is one of the 517 children to be enrolled in the Borno State Fulani Bororo Scholarship Scheme. The first child in a family of 9, Halima is a role model to her younger ones and naturally transfers the little she has learnt in school to them. Before the scholarship program came up, all she did was stay at home and watch her mother and stepmother plait women's hair in the neighborhood for a token, probably hoping to learn and inherit the trade. Today, her dreams have changed, and like most children her age with opportunities, she now has bigger dreams.
Governor Kashim put me in school. He bought everything for me, uniforms, books, and every other thing I need for school. I am very happy I can go to school and achieve my dream of becoming a doctor.
Halima's father is one of the nomads operating in Moba, a town around the Lake Chad area. He too is not spared by the rampaging insurgents.
I was born in Gashka, and all my life we have never had issues with the people of Borno. Only good things, and we have seen it clearly. Even places where we have federal lawmakers and everything, we did not get what we got here in Borno State. Because there is no way a poor man's child can afford to enroll in an academic college. May Allah cause other governors to hear and learn from what the Borno State governor has done.
Government officials say beginning the program has not always been easy, as parents are often hesitant and pessimistic. But with incentives for both parents and school-age children, they now willingly walk their little ones to designated bus stops and carry on their own hustle to make ends meet.
These children are picking because some of them now understand, even if they cannot speak the English fluently, but they understand what we are saying. And some of them speaks. They can read the Holy Quran. They now pray, and we teach them some dua. And even their morals have changed.
When we started, we gave out some brochures, money, bicycles, and what have you. So immediately, they started coming. We got to 35 in just like 5 days. We got that 35. I told him we have 35, and because of the incentives, we have more now. He said, okay, continue to enroll them.
Back in school, most of them are still crude and holding on to their primitive culture and style. The teachers are doing all they can to earn their trust and teach both Western and Islamic knowledge. The large population is the reason for the construction of a new school tailored for the Fulani kids. It's built with a capacity that can accommodate about 1,000 Fulani children, and many of them are on the enrollment waiting list.